How to remove repost from Twitter or X profile. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with new tutorial, and in this video we will see how we can remove repost from Twitter or X profile. So let's get started. First of all, launch the Twitter application or X application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in. Now in your Twitter profile, if you have any repost, now if you like to remove that, from your home page, navigate to top left hand side corner and tap on the profile icon. From this menu bar, tap on profile option. That's gonna take you to your profile page. Now, if you scroll down a bit, you will be able to find all your posts. So from there, search for the post that you have reposted. Now, if you like to remove that, tap on the repost icon under that post. And from this pop-up box, tap on undo repost and then tap on got it. And with that, your repost is now removed from your profile. So that's how you remove repost from your Twitter or X profile, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and do not forget to like and comment. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more upcoming videos.